on YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, we're going to be doing a little unboxing. Now, this unboxing today is coming from Mnml. Mnml.com. I picked these jeans up, y'all. Shout out to my bro, the Twin. Shout out to my bro, the Vintage. You know what I'm saying? Twin is crazy, man. You know, it's always crazy when one of your friends talking about something and another friend talking about something. I was talking about I wanted to order these jeans that I've been seeing. You know on Facebook, you be scrolling. You can see it all on IG and stuff. They be having like little stuff scrolling. And Mnml always has ads. Well, I decided that I was like, yo, I'm gonna grab something off of there. So y'all, if y'all new to the channel and y'all just tuning in and it's your first video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell for your boy, DaRetroWizKid, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. It is greatly appreciated. I love each and every one of y'all. We are on the race to 10,000 subscribers. Try to get this video up to 50 likes. Hit it, slack it, whatever it is you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. And drop a comment below and let me know if y'all ever shopped on Mnml.com. Get it! So y'all, we just got a regular like bag type thing. And you know what I'm saying? It's crazy because like I said, man, the Vintage did a video like this, bro. Shout out to the bro, the Vintage. And me and Twin was talking about the jeans on there. He was like, hey, bro, you ever checked out these jeans? I was like, bro, what? Hey, shout out to the bro, Tony D, man, for the rep code, man. If y'all ain't watched his videos, man, Tony D dropped a video with a rep code, and I used that rep code to save me a little 10%. Get it? So, y'all, first things first, y'all, we're going to talk about this first pair. This first pair right here, man, is just some joggers, man. Not even joggers, man. Let's try to get some track pants. Let's get these things out, man. So, y'all, I picked up these track pants, man. My first pair of pants with those long strings and everything. I am going to show you guys a little close-up with them on and everything. But I picked these things up to go with all the red and black Jordans and just anything red and black. Y'all know, man, the vibe with the zippers on the bottom, man. That thing is fuego! And I'm talking about fire flame. I love my jeans with them little cuts right there. I don't know why, man, but you know what I'm saying? Maybe it gives me that nostalgia. Y'all remember back in like the 90s, man. I know I lived in Germany growing up in the 90s, man. I'm gonna say those right there. I lived in Germany, man, and a lot of people used to cut their jeans like that. I'm pretty sure they probably did in the States, but I don't know. So, on to the next, man. We got these doggone Mnml jeans. Now, these are the jeans that I seen, y'all, and I just kept seeing these online, scrolling and stuff. And I was like, yo, I gotta get these joints, man. I gotta see what these shit's hitting for. And, hey, here they go right here, y'all. Little patchwork on them and stuff like that, man. These things are gas, actually, y'all. They really are. They're really gas. And you know what I'm saying? They do have the zippers on them right here, man. You do have those zippers on them. These things are gas, man. I love the distressed look. I love how they did the little patchwork with it. I got these in my true size. I wear a 36 in jeans, so I got a 36 in them. Hey, that's crazy, man. They actually come with a nice little extra button in case the button falls off, which is dope, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to that. But y'all let me know what y'all think about these. I'm gonna try them on real quick, let y'all see a little something of that, and you know what I'm saying, we'll get back to it. Lego. Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed the little try on to show you all how the kicks look, how I would match them up with the pants. I really feeling the denim. The denim is hard. The track pants are hard. Y'all let me know down below if y'all like what y'all saw. If y'all like them jeans and them track pants, y'all can head over to Mnml and you guys can check out their website. And you know, no, this ain't no sponsored video or nothing, but you know, Twin said it, the Vintage said it. You know what I'm saying? Tony D was putting them on. Mike the Compass was putting them on. I was like, damn, bro, them jeans is fire. You know what I'm saying? I moved away from Germany. I'm now in the United States again, and I used to shop at H&M to get all my jeans. I have a plethora of jeans that I caught from H&M, man. I'm talking about a stupid amount, man. If y'all want to see a jean video, bro, just see all the different type of jeans I got that I be matching up with my shoes, I can do that for y'all too. I know that's a little bit something different, but y'all know your boy into fashion. I'm into shoes. I'm into video games. So I'm giving y'all everything in 2019 that I rock with. You know what I'm saying? And that's just how we gonna do it, man. So if y'all are new to the channel and y'all made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell for your boy DaRetroWizKid and join your boy in the Sneaker Dungeon family. It is greatly appreciated. If y'all haven't yet, head over to Instagram and follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all over on Twitter. And I do follow back at Wiz_retro. And don't forget to slack that like button over there on my Facebook page at DaRetroWizKid. All the love is greatly appreciated. I love each and every one of y'all. Don't forget, tomorrow we got Caden Cole coming through at 8:30 Eastern time. Y'all, it's gonna be lit, y'all. So shout out to all the Naughty gang, man. I love y'all, man. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow on the next video. Get in!